Good morning. My name is Kushal Singh, Mechanical Engineering Department, RCRT Jaipur. Today, I will discuss the topic sampling plan, that is single and double sampling plan in quality management, 6th semester mechanical engineering. Now, start our topic. First of all, we have to understand about the sampling. As the sampling is the act, process, or technique of selecting a suitable sample or a representative part of a population for the purpose of determining parameters or characteristics of the whole population. For example, by this figure we can understand easily that from large amount of day or large number of lots, some selected items are select to inspect, according to which the lot may be accept or reject. Single sampling and double sampling. Now we will discuss first about the single sampling plan. What is the single sampling plan? Single sampling plan is defined by sample size and the acceptance number C. There are a capital N total items in a lot. Choose n of the items at random. If at least C of the items are unacceptable, reject the lot. Here, capital N is the lot size and small n is the sample size and C is the acceptance number and D is the observed number of defectives. The acceptance or rejection of the lot is based on the results from a single sample. Thus, a single sample reject or accept. What are the conditions of single sampling plan? Acceptance or rejection decision is made after drawing only one sample from the lot. If the number of defectives D does not exceed the acceptance criteria C, the lot is accepted. Now we can try to understand about the single sample, that select the sample, inspect them and make decision. A decision to accept or reject the lot is made based on the result of a single sample. In brief, we can understand single sampling plan by the following figure. First of all, lot of n items from which small lot of or small n number of items may be selected, according to which if the defective number of defective items is greater than C, then the reject the lot, and the number of defectives is less than equal to C, then the lot is accept. Now, double sampling. Definition of a double sampling plan defined by four parameters. N1 is the sample size for the first sample. C1 is the acceptance number for the first sample. N2 is the sample size for the second sample, and C2 is the acceptance number of the second sample. And what are the conditions for double sampling plan? One small sample is drawn initially if the number of defectives is less than or equal to some lower limit, the lot is accepted. If the number of defectives is greater than some upper limit, the lot will be rejected. And if the number of defectives is neither, a second larger sample is drawn. Lot is either accepted or rejected on the basis of the information from the both of the samples. A single sampling plan, double sampling plan also understand by the figure. Select a sample, two samples, inspect these samples. Each sample clear, accept or reject. If condition is no, then again resample and inspect resample. If the result is yes, then make decision. And after resample inspection, decision will be made. If there is not a clear accept or rejection decision from inspection of the first sample, a second sample is taken and the decision is made based on the result of the combined samples. Similarly, as single sampling, double sampling is explained by the figure. If by the first inspection the result is not clear, then continue the inspection and make the decision that the lot is rejected or accepted. Double sampling plans advantage. Double sampling reduces the total number of inspections and it allows the vendor a second chance. While in the single sampling, only one chance is given to the vendor to inspect the lot. And disadvantages of double sampling plan, it can lose the economical advantage due to as the double sample is chosen from a lot, the time and money both will increase in comparison to the single sampling. More record keeping is needed when the process is long, time consuming more, so we can clearly say that the record will be large, so record keeping is necessary. So we can easily understand that some limitations or disadvantages and advantages of double sampling plan is seen in comparison to the single sampling plan. So our today topic is complete as double sampling or single sampling plan and quality management system. Thank you.